Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JV's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are here to discuss the topic organism and its environment, and this comes under the subject ecology and evolution. So let's start. So if we talk about the definition of ecology, it is a branch of biology that deals with the interactions among the organism and its physical or abiotic environment. So the study of ecology is important because it is to strike a balance between development and maintenance of the natural environment and biotic communities use of conservation of resources to solve the local and regional and global environmental problems. So sorry, it is basically concerned with four levels of biological organization, that is the organism, population, communities and biomes. So the ecological hierarchy of ecological levels of organization connected with ecological grouping of organization. So the hierarchy which is deal in the ecology is like this, that the basic unit of the ecology is an organism, that is an individual, then a group of individual makes population, then a group of population makes the community, and likewise ecosystem, landscape, biome and biosphere. So the major abiotic factors which are studied under the ecology, that is temperature, water, light and soil. So let's talk about them one by one. So what is temperature? So and why it is important in study of the ecology. So the average temperature of land varies seasonally. So it decreases and progressively forms the equator towards the poles and forms from plains to the mountain tops. It ranges from sub-zero levels in polar areas and high altitudes to greater than 50 degrees Celsius in tropical deserts in summer. So what are the euthermal and the stenothermal? So euthermal are the organisms that can tolerate the thrive in a wide range of temperatures. Few organisms are involved in this category. Then the second category is the stenothermal, that is the organism that can tolerate and thrive in a narrow range of temperature, and most of the organisms included in this category. Then second is water. So the productivity and distribution of plants in a geographical area is heavily dependent on water. The quality of water is dependent on the chemical composition, like pH. For aquatic organisms, that quality of water, salinity, temperature is very important. So the salt concentration in water is measured as a salinity in parts per thousand, and two types of organisms are there, uh, euryhaline and stenohaline. So what is the euryhaline? The organisms that can tolerate a wide range of salinities, and stenohalines are the organisms that can tolerate a narrow range of salinities. Then light, it plays an important role in the physiology and survival of autotrophs, as it helps them to prepare food via the photosynthesis. Then many animals use the diurnal and seasonal variations in light intensity and duration, that is known as the photoperiod, to time their foraging, reproduction and migratory activities. So the availability of light and on land is closely linked with that of temperature, since the sun is the source of both. So the UV component of the spectrum is harmful for many organisms. Sorry. The next next component is soil. So the quality of soil is determined by the following component, that is the soil composition, what is the grain size there, and the aggregation. And the nature of properties of soil depend on the following factors, that is climate, weathering process, whether soil is transported or sedimentary, how soil development has occurred. So the vegetations in the area to a large extent depends on the soil parameters. like the pH, mineral composition, topography, and the percolation of water holding capacity. So this was about the organism and the environment. So hope you are satisfied with this digital session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve that. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.